Hey family, so today we're going to be discussing these tiny bumps and texture skin that are such a nuisance. Here is a clip of a close-up of my skin and how textured it looks sometimes. This is how my skin looks when I apply makeup, and you can see these ungodly bumps just really prominent. Right here, I'm just verifying the date and time that I started to wash my face. First things first, I like to use this face cleansing wipe by RichRadiance, and that's just to get all of the oil and any remaining makeup from my face. Next, I'm going to use Head & Shoulders. Yes, Head & Shoulders shampoo because of the pyrithione zinc, which is used as an antifungal and an antibacterial agent. So you don't need a lot. You just want to make sure that you get it into a nice rich lather before you put it on your skin. So make sure that it is really lathered up really well, like so. And then go ahead and apply it to your skin in circular motions, really massaging that in there. And I don't leave this on for any longer than a minute because it can cause burns if it is left on too long. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my face, but make sure when you rinse with cool water and pat your skin dry. The Head & Shoulders is going to really dry out your skin, so don't do too much rubbing and friction. Now I'm going to be using the Palmer's cocoa butter formula along with oil of oregano to moisturize my skin. Now let me warn you, oil of oregano burns, so make sure that you squeeze the dropper because you only need a very small amount of oil to get the job done. Oil of oregano also has very strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, which makes it a perfect addition to good skincare regimen. So I'm just mixing that in with my hands to make sure I get it, mixed up really well. And I'm just applying that in circular motions to the areas where I am troubled the most. And then I'm just going to apply it all over my face. The reason why I chose to use cocoa butter along with this is because the fat in cocoa butter, it forms a protective barrier over the skin to hold in moisture. So that is why I combine these two together as a super ninja power pack combo to get rid of these little bumps. Alright, so now I'm going to go to bed and wake up and show you the results. It is 8 a.m. that same day because, I went to bed around midnight, 1 o'clock. So it's 8 a.m. And here's my skin. As you can see, a lot of those bumps have been drastically decreased or almost gone. That's the after, and that is the before, where you can really see them prominently just being all over my face. So just overnight, it helped to get rid of those bumps.